Cashanista Friends, it's Casharee here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these gold foil nails. So I'm going to start with some gel primer and just place this, 2 coats of this on the nail to prep it for the gel. Now that that's dry, I'm going to take my sticker, which is going to help me make my nail. Just gonna place it behind my natural nail. I'm gonna take my IBD gel and begin to build the nail. Now I kind of just put it all in the middle at first, and then I drag up to create the extension. And I just kind of drag down to get close to the cuticle area. Okay, now I've covered the whole nail, so I'm just going to cure it in my LED lamp. And I'm going to add a second layer of the gel. And cure that once again. Now since I did those 2 layers pretty thick, I think I can just take it off, take off the sticker, and I have my nail. Now I'm just going to take my fingernail filer and shape it to my liking. Okay, now that I have the nail buffed and filed down to the shape that I want, I'm going to take this gel type of adhesive and just apply this to the nail. Now before curing that, I'm going to take my nail foil here, and I just purchased this from Amazon. I will link it down below. A few different color foils came with it, but I'm just going with the gold today. I'm just going to start taking pieces of it and placing it on the nail using these tweezers. And the pieces of foil, they are super duper thin, so it's easy to break it apart. And I definitely don't have any technique as far as how many pieces I'm putting on each nail or anything like that. I'm pretty much just going with the flow, like guessing. And when it looks good enough for me, I just stop. And yeah, like so. So now that I have all the pieces of foil on the finger, I'm just going to cure it in the LED lamp. Now I'm going to top this off with 2 coats of just clear gel nail polish. I'm using the Sensationail brand of clear top coat and cure it in the lamp. Here is my final look. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.